Imagine a world where network efficiency meets reliability, where data flows seamlessly, and where your network infrastructure is optimized for maximum performance. Presenting our core network solutions. Our 48F to 288F multi-tube armored and unarmored dry-core underground cable is robust and ideal for backbone and access networks, underground duct pulling, and direct burial applications. The single-mode multi-tube ribbon armored and unarmored cable with intermittent bonded ribbon technology. It offers high fiber packing density, flexibility for mass fusion splicing, and is perfect for high-density access networks and data centers. The Multitube single-sheath armored cable, designed for high tensile strength, crush resistance, and rodent proofing, making it perfect for demanding field conditions. Our Unitube and Multitube compact microduct and duct cables are ideal for blowing in distribution and last-mile networks. With standard, extra-thin, and ultra-thin variants, it offers versatility to meet your specific needs. Now, let's talk about passive connectivity products. Our plug-and-play MPO assemblies, fan-out assemblies, uniboot pull-tab patch cord, and MPO cassettes streamline high-volume data traffic handling in hyperscale data center environments. Meanwhile, our dome, flat, and inline type joint closures ensure robust network infrastructure. These products are designed to do more than just connect. They're engineered to solve real-world challenges. Imagine reduced downtime, faster data transmission, and seamless connectivity. That's the impact our solutions bring to your network operations. HFCL, empowering your network every step of the way.